Hello, this is the Tradesight US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Thursday the 17th and Friday the 18th of May 2018. This is options expiration week in May. It's not a triple expiration. I don't know that we necessarily saw a unravel today. We'll look at that in a minute. But at any rate, this is going to serve for the last preview for the week, as we don't typically do previews for Friday because most of the week's played out. And of course, with an options expiration, you don't expect much on a Friday anyways. So here's the ES front month futures contract, daily chart, broad market, and futures form. Haven't really done anything the last couple of days. It's been a pretty slow week, actually. Here's a look at crude oil hanging near the highs, closed at 71.50. Gold, 1287.90, just down $2.40. S&P cash index gained 11, gapped up a little bit and closed a little higher. NDX, this is the NASDAQ 100, up 41, still down for the week though, just barely. SOX up 19. There was a floating island reversal pattern there, but it never triggered by breaking the lows of Tuesday, so that's negated. Biotech's up $30.88. The VIX down 121 to 1342. Trend closes at 0.9. That puts the 10-day moving average also at 0.9. Again, if we get one more lower number, we could easily get to that 0.85 number on the 10-day moving average, which would be a sell signal on the broad market. NASDAQ volume, just over 2 billion shares, not a big deal. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was plus 933. That means 933 more stocks up than down. On the New York, it was plus 900, so pretty good there as well. Google loses just 78 cents, which is a blip for Google. Apple up $1.74. Netflix up $2.06. Amazon up $11.16. Tesla gains $2.30. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, loses 45 cents. That's almost a new closing low. It's a big breakdown point on the TLT right there. That does not look good. Goldman Sachs down 60 cents. All right, in terms of the intraday action, 5-minute candles. So you can see we basically small gap up, never filled. It was just a point or so. Moved up a little bit early, then dead flat for a couple hours. Moved up over lunch. If that was your options unraveling move, it wasn't much. The volume dried up. So we may still have an options unraveling move if there's any open interest out there. Dead flat after that, pulled back just the VWAP and closed after that. NASDAQ side, pretty much the same. Look how flat the afternoon was. We did leave a small gap behind, but we still have the gap above from the prior day. All right, in terms of economic data that's left this week, again, options expiration remaining will be the focus, but here's what we've got. Thursday, the Philly Fed at 8:30, along with the weekly initial and continuing jobless claims. Then at 10 a.m., 30 minutes in, CB leading index, an hour in, the natty gas numbers. Friday, no data, just options expiration. So not much to look forward to. Hasn't been the most exciting week, but we'll see if we can get something going on Thursday in particular. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading rest of your week.